playing a great part, so we just wanted to use that as well.
You want to play at Tri-Nations because your white ball form, your Pakistan cricket teams, both in T20Is and one days have been very, very good. So more of the same, I guess, from Pakistan's point of view?
Yeah, we have been playing really well last few series. We have won that, and we just wanted to carry that momentum in this Tri-Nation as well and play the same brand of cricket we have been playing.
Any team changes?
We have, like, I remember 3 who's not playing. Usman, Tariq, Naseem Shah, and Wasim is not playing.
All right, okay, have a good one.
Thank you very much.
Right, Sikandar, it's not a bad situation for you to be pitted against two sides that play white ball cricket really well.
Yeah, certainly. It's a blessing that came in disguise that we've been asked to come and be part of the Tri-Series. So yeah, we are really looking forward to it, and that gets us with more games for the World Cup preparation. But having said that, we are here to do well in this Tri-Series as well.
I was looking at your team's makeup. Now you've got 2 very young openers, and then you've got 39-year-olds to go with the 2 youngsters. What's the plan here? I mean, obviously one eye on the World Cup, but you want to get that combination running.
Yeah, certainly. As much as we've got one eye on the World Cup as well, but I think for me what is really important is what's ahead of me, and which is today's game. You're right, we are looking at the combinations and the best maker for the team as well for the World Cup, but we mustn't lose sight of what's in front of us, and that is today's game and this Tri-Series. So yeah, certainly it's quite a nice mixture of, as you say, youth and experience.
Yeah. What do you make of the conditions?
Yeah, certainly been watching a lot of games at Rawalpindi. I think Rawalpindi is not the usual Rawalpindi. I think a lot of Test cricket has been played here, so the wickets are starting to be slower and on the lower side. So I'm not too first. Dew is something we cannot control.
Sure.
Some of the training sessions, there was a lot of dews, but yesterday when we came, there wasn't much of a dew as well. So we're going to hope there's not going to be a lot of dew in the second, but batting first to batting second it's okay for us.
Go well.
Thank you very much.
Right, then Pakistan
सह मुल्की सीरीज का पहला मैच आज पाकिस्तान और जिम्बाब्वे की टीमों के दरमियान होने जा रहा है। टॉस जीतकर पाकिस्तान ने पहले फील्डिंग का फैसला किया।